Yes! Hello, hello, hello! This is Diana G and now we're cooking Indomie Mee Goreng! Indomie! You know now if Indomie made, huh? Oh, diba? Yan! Mee Goreng fried noodles! Instant noodles! Diba? Ang sarap kaya yan. Okay, first, ayan na, binuksan ko yung mee goreng and the seasoning. So, diba, the seasonings of the Indomie mee goreng. Oh, yeah. Okay, first, we'll place the noodles in boiling water and simmer for 3 minutes. But before that, we mix the all seasonings while the water is boiling. Oh, diva English match. I'll mix it well. Okay, I'll mix it halo-halo yarn. Ayan, kumukulong tubig. And I place the noodles in boiling water. And simmer for 3 minutes. O, diba? Ay, ewan ko kung 3 minutes ba itong ginawa ko kasi hindi ko naman sa tina-timer. O, diba? Yan ako. Mahalaga sa akin yung oras. Pero, yung oras niya, ayan, sayang ko. And now, okay, ipaboil natin yan. And then, we're going to hintay. We're going to wait until the noodles cook. And then, remove the noodles from water and drain well. O, diba? Drain well. Santa ka. Ang sarap-sarap. O, diba? And then, put, okay. Okay. And then, add the noodles to the seasonings. And mix well. Okay, mix it. Halo is so delicious. I miss eating halo-halo, my dear. Sayang Korea, I miss it. O, diba? Mix it well. And halo-halo yarn. Halo-halo yarn. O, diba? Yan. Mix it well because so delicious. Oh my goodness, it's so heaven. Oh, I feel like heaven when I'm eating this Indomie. Oh, Indomie made in Indonesia. Indonesia product. Oh, diba? And put the seasoning, the rest seasoning. Oh, diba? Ginunting ko pa kaya matagal. Natagalan kasi ginunting ko pa, inopen ko pa. I tear the seasoning. Feels like crunchy. I think it's chicharron. I don't know. O, diba? Ang arte. Ay! O, diba? Then mix it. And in a minute, we're going to tasting time. My favorite is tasting time. Ayan! Tikiman time! And your delicious noodles are ready to serve. Diba? Ang init kaya niyan. Oh, diba? It's so yummy. It's so delicious, diba? The product of Indonesia is so delicious. Taran! Ayan ang finished product. Malapit ang maubos. And then, a coffee from Indonesia made from this. So, thank you guys. Bye-bye!
I just had to let you know you're